Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I would like to share one of my favorite pastimes, and that is shopping on Facebook Marketplace. I have been doing this for years, and I love doing this instead of going to garage sales, state sales, thrift stores, Goodwills, all of those, because a lot of times they are hit and miss. You never know if you're going to find what you're looking for, if you're looking for something in particular. And you never know if you're going to walk into just a bunch of junk or if you're going to score something big. It's always hit or miss. But with Facebook Marketplace, I have found this to be a wonderful experience that I can just do from the comforts of my own home. I do not have to go riding around trying to locate garage sale signs and sometimes never finding the place. So yeah, this is a wonderful thing that I have been doing, and I have furnished my garden, and I would love to share those things with you that I've purchased in the past. Keep watching. This plant stand is a favorite find. The containers did not come with it, but the gentleman told me I could find them at Home Depot. I brought it home and painted it and added my petunias to my containers, and I love this new addition to my garden. I also purchased these art pieces from the same gentleman. They look like they are made of stone, but they are really lightweight. I added them to my flower garden, and I love the fact it just looks like a piece of art in the garden. These artichokes are a beautiful addition to the flower garden as well. I have them spaced alongside my containers for now. I was very happy when I found this bench. I had been looking for something like this, but I didn't want to have to put it together. You know how I feel about putting stuff together. Nor did I want to pay the price for how much it is new. I brought it home and stained it, as well as these two chairs that I also purchased from a man who makes furniture on Facebook Marketplace. I love this set on my front porch. Just about anybody can go on to Facebook Marketplace and pick up free bricks. I picked these up, loaded them in my truck, brought them back home, and made an entryway for my greenhouse. I think it turned out pretty nice. These 3 wood pieces was just what I needed to work as a backdrop on this brown wood fence. I really think it turned out nice. I was looking for a little table for my veranda, and this one really caught my eye because the chair cushions is the same pattern as the rug that I have out there on the patio. So I brought it home, I painted it, I put new chair rubber feet caps on each one of the chairs, and it looks brand new. I love unique things, and this table was exactly what I was looking for my office closet. It was the right height, the right width, and I needed something to house the seeds I collect outdoors. So I did a video just recently sharing this process of collecting zinnia seeds and how I store them in this desk. So this is what it looks like in the little closet, and I think it looks great with this little blue stool that I also found on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm very happy about this purchase. I look at my garden as a Victorian garden, and when I found this head bust, it was just one of those things that I had to have. I love finding these lightweight pots that look like they're made out of stone. One year I had these coleus in it, and man, did it pop. I know I say everything is my favorite, but this is my all-time favorite find on Facebook Marketplace. This is a very substantial arbor trellis. It houses my coral honeysuckle. I'll show that to you in another video, but I just still cannot believe that this beautiful trellis is in my garden. I wanted both of these pineapples, but the lady had sold one of them, and so she had this one left, and it had a small crack on the base, and she sold the pineapple to me for $5. This is a very huge, heavy pineapple, and I absolutely love it in my pineapple garden. In my pineapple garden, the greenhouse was finished, and I was looking for items that had pineapples on it. And this picture was perfect, and this little door stop also just was perfect for this little area. The last thing I wanted to share from Facebook Marketplace is this wicker set. I purchased this on Facebook Marketplace, of course, and I love it. I love coming out here on the porch and just enjoying being outside, sharing it with friends, family, and just having a nice spot to come to at the end of the day. So most of these things, like I say, come from Facebook Marketplace. All my little knickknacks, this beautiful garden gate mirror. It was a wonderful find, and I hope that this video has helped you to think about checking out Facebook Marketplace for yourself. You can find wonderful things for your garden, for your home, just at very inexpensive prices as well. You don't have to put a lot of things together, and I just love it. So thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And I have left at the end of this video some tips on staying safe on Facebook Marketplace. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.